Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a very fun DIY today because I'm again making some pretty boho mirrors. So I've made some boho mirrors before, so I will link all of them down below. And I think I'm going to make 3. Let's maybe 4, but I think 3. And I've got the first one on my table, so I will show you. So for this DIY I am using this mirror that I thrifted. Is there still a price? Nope, but it was cheap. And I have these wooden stairs for in the coffee and stuff. And my idea is... So I want to put it behind the mirror, and it's going to be something like this. And then also I want to put this behind the mirror also in little shorter pieces. And that around, and then I maybe going to do something nice around the sides here. I don't really know exactly what I'm going to do yet. And then I'm going to glue everything down with my hot glue gun, and that's it for this boho mirror. So for this DIY I am going to use this beautiful placemat, and I have this thin square mirror that I'm going to glue like this, I think. Yeah, like this. And then for around the borders I have my little wooden beads that I am going to put around here. It's like all the way around. And I think that will be very pretty. And maybe when I've done one row, I will go in with the smaller beads and put them on the side. I don't know yet exactly, but I'm just going to try some things out. And of course, I'm going to use my hot glue gun to glue everything down. And that's it for this boho mirror. So for the last DIY, I've got this mirror that I got for 50 € at a thrift store, and it's a pretty big one and still very dirty, so I have to clean this up. And I am going to peel this off. I already tried somewhere, but I can peel it off pretty easily. And then I'm going to build something to show you. So I'm going to put these bamboo sticks behind the mirror, and then I've got my curtain rings that are again making a comeback, and I'm going to put them in between, and it's going to look something like this, and then all the way around. And then to make a nice new border, I'm going to use this macrame cord and put it all around the mirror, and I'm going to glue everything down with again my hot glue gun, and then this boho mirror is also done. Now thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this video. And if you liked it, please push the like button, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I will see you next time. So I've got a very fun DIY for you today, and there's blues on the background. I am using this rectangular mirror. How do you call this? Rectangular, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8-sided mirror.